There are a couple of things about my community wall that I've learned over the last 6 months. You can make posts to it. You notice how small my thumbnail is? I tried to get bigger ones. This one is, when they're from shorts, they're even smaller. Oh, I thought maybe I could get a whole thumbnail in. Well, this is my 1920 by 1080 thumbnail, and I noticed that it gets really truncated, but I have a solution. Now you notice how nice and big this picture is though. Here's the solution. What you do is you make your thumbnail square, and that's what I did on this one. Now another way to do it is to do it like I did here. This way you get your thumbnail nice and big and clear. 1920 by 1920 high. And then you can type into this otherwise wasted space on your image editor or photo editor. Same thing here. You can see how the community wall is. I was going to add another thumbnail and show you how it gets truncated, but I had that one that I showed you earlier. Check out all my videos too. I love you all. I hope you appreciate this and have a great day.